Well, in a very simple way, it's basically a fabric in a square format. And in Japan's throughout history, Japanese would have furoshiki to carry simple things. Sometimes it's a way to transport. Sometimes it's a way to show respect and be polite when you are visiting someone's home and bringing a gift, say a box of candy or box of something, and then you wrap it as opposed to just showing the wrapping paper from a department store or somewhere else. So it's very polite to wrap it and go visit. And then when it's time for you to take out that special gift, you just unwrap it and then present it.